Hello and a warm welcome to everyone across the globe. We should be underway very shortly. The players will be with us any time now. I'm Peter Drury, and providing analysis and expert opinion alongside me will be Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, always good to work with you. I'm really looking forward to this now.
So the two starting lineups. There's the whistle. Ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. So what now? Swung in towards the middle. Just couldn't turn it in.
Yeah, and it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Looks to thread it through. Passes it through. Cut out in the nick of time. Tries a through ball. Yeah, he's offering an apology for that. He needed to deliver a better ball. Floats one over.
It's a busy front line, lots of movement.
And is that working for you?
Well, not really. To be honest, I'm not a great fan of taking goal potential away from the penalty pucks.
Now the pass. Looks like a good ball through. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Quarter of an hour played. Still goalless. That look says it all. All it needed was him to get hold of the ball.
Just when it was all looking a little promising too. He miscontrols as the counter-attack seemed to have good momentum. He's just got to shake it off now and put it down as a rare slip-up.
And that will sail harmlessly past.
Well, it was far from high calibre, Peter, and when you're shooting from that position, it needs to be just that, high calibre.
Questions were asked, but he's given the answers. Looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. It's well blocked and back out it comes. Whose ball? Who's going to get there? Tries the route one option. Crosses it in low. No, not this time.
Yeah, and it all came from very good trickery in the wider position, but quite a static defence. Was pretty fortunate to survive that little episode. It should have been much worse.
Gets it back. Thrust towards the front line. Promising cross.
Well, what was required then was a little more patience. He didn't have to cross it so early.
Plays a clever pass. Away from immediate danger. It's come loose. He's going after it. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. They've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Now the pass. Has a swing at it! Oh, good effort, he got plenty on that.
Yeah, and he knew he had to get his efforts away before being closed down, but he could have sacrificed a little power then for a bit more accuracy.
Chipped through. He's made sure that that won't get through. Tries to get it forward quickly. Pumps it upfield. Done very well to intervene. Well, it did look promising to start with, but in the end they were thwarted before they could even make it into the final third. That's gone a long way up and away. It into the middle. It was all about the quality of the delivery, and they come away with nothing. He's gone long. This has gone, that's a foul. Speculative strike. Crossfield, changing the point of attack. Who's going to make this theirs? Ball is over the line. Knocks it towards the front. Well positioned to make that interception. Spoon forward. The first half is done. Reflections on the first half?
Well, I'm starting to wonder, Peter, if that left side exploitation has run its course. Lots of crosses, but no advantage, and surely it'll be combated more robustly from here. They may have missed a trick on that, you know.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break, 0-0. So deadlock still as the second half begins. Tries a through ball. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Deftly done. He's through the middle. Demanding a quick ball here. It's a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. Gets into a dangerous position. He's found his man. To get it forward quickly. Hits one! And he has been fouled there.
Well, we don't need to guess that they expect plenty of ball into the box.
It's quite a crowd scene in the middle now.
Well, it's a situation that requires resilience now and plenty of fighting spirit. It has to be matched.
Well, that's where he wants it. Oh, good interception. Aimed long and direct. The referee's awarded a free kick. Up he gets! Oh, what a lovely delivery. It deserved better.
In this game, you're always striving to gain an advantage or produce a little surprise element to things, and the quicker the delivery, I think the more chance you have, and they should have done better there.
Gets up to head it! It's a good-looking cross. Smart save. The defence can get it clear. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Gets it back. Nil the score, and we're just about done. A deeply frustrating game. Forward it goes. Gets his foot in there. Aim forward. Great run this, he's covered quite a distance. Whipped in. And he's got his range wrong there. Spoon forward. It's a long ball, but it's not hit its target. Clears it out of harm's way. Crosses in a low one. Well, that's not the cross he had in mind. Who's going to make this theirs? And the finish! Just off target.
Well, for me, he had a very decent crack at it, but it has to be said that the odds on those from distance were never really that good, and you'd always favour the keeper in that instance.
Passes it through. Tries to get it forward quickly. Looks like a good ball through. Has he found his man? It's a loose ball. The ball's loose, and he's after it. Drilled in low. Battles to win it back. Pumps it upfield. Now the pass. Great ball to play him in, but he will be gutted to miss that.
Oh, that was a lovely little dink over the top just to get the runner in on the keeper, and what a pity he just couldn't produce a goal from that.
Oh, he really wanted that.
He's been a joy to watch, and that didn't miss by much. He'll be back.
Into stoppage time, and it is still goalless. Managed to get it away. Still going. Where to next? And that is it. The referee has seen enough. Well, it looked 0-0 from a fair way out. Little craft or guile or penetration. Defence is largely untroubled. It's goalless. Well, what are your thoughts on today's game then, Jim?
I think they'll be a little irked by the fact that they had control for good periods of the game and didn't do enough to turn that control into victory.
I think we're just about out of time, so many thanks to Jim and a very good afternoon to you.